Very good morning to one and all. Till now, we discussed product rule, quotient rule, power rule. Now, I am going to explain rule number 4, change of base rule. So, I am going to write over here rule number 4. What is rule number 4 here? Change of base rule. What is change of base rule here? Log b base a is equal to log b base c by log a base c also is equal to 1 by log a base b. Once you observe over here, change of base rule. Log b to the base a is equal to log b base c by log a base c is equal to 1 by log a base b. So this one we have to prove over here. So I am going to do proof. Under the proof, let I am going to take log b base a as some alphabet you take. So see, I am going to take over here, let log b base a is equal to some x I am going to take over here. This one I am going to write equation number 1. So this equation number 1 is in the form of logarithmic. So if it is in logarithmic form, by the definition of logarithm, I am going to convert into exponential form. Convert equation number 1 into exponential form. Here equation number 1 is in logarithmic form. I am going to write into exponential form. So how can we write here? So it implies b is equal to a power x. Now since we have a definition, by the definition of logarithm, if a power x is equal to n, then what will happen? X is equal to log n base a. By using this definition, I wrote equation number 1 into the exponential form. Now here I am going to write, or I am going to take log c on both sides. So why should I take c? Here we have to prove base as a c, to the base as a c. That's why I am going to take c to the base. So take log c on both sides of, just like you take here equation number 2, equation number 2 I am going to write. So log b base c is equal to log a power x base c. So after taking this one, when we are observing RHS side, right hand side, it is in the form of power rule. You can utilize power rule over here. This x I am going to write in front of log. So log b base c is equal to x log ac. So since by rule number 3, power rule. What is power rule over here? Log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a, n log x base a. Or how can you write this is? I am going to write by interchanging the places over here. That one here RHS I am going to write as LHS, LHS I am going to write as RHS. So now you observe x log of log a base c is equal to log b base c. Between x and log a base c into is there, this log a base c I am sending this side. When we are sending this side, what will happen over here? So it will be by. So x is equal to log b base c by log, what is the a base c, log a base c. After getting this one, we can write it as, already we proved here, once you observe here, log bc, log b base c by log a base c. Then what we have to prove? Again we have to prove this one. This one only we can write it as, this bc I am sending to here, so 1 by, it will be log a base c by log b base c. So after getting this one, I am going to write in the form of log a base b. Since how can we write this is, we can write like, see, log a base c by log b base c is equal to log a by log c by log b by log c. So here log c gets cancellation. We can write it as log a by log b. This one again we can write it as log a base b. So instead of log a base c by log b base c, we can write it log a base b. So we proved 1 by log a base b. So therefore log b base a is equal to log b base c by log a base c is equal to 1 by log a base b. So this is the rule, change of base rule. So hence proved. Thank you.